This video is about how to choose samples on the Temu app as a Temu influencer. If you've authorized your account and you've been approved, the next thing for you is to, pick samples. Mind you, these samples are also for you to use in making content. It's not just for you to pick them and when you get them, keep them. No, you have to make content with those samples. Once you get those samples, unbox them. When you get these samples, please unbox them, do the video properly and post them so that you can get approved. Because if you do those video and you post them, maybe you didn't do it well and it was disapproved, you'll be blocked from getting further samples. Okay, so let's just have that in mind. Don't worry, I'll show us how to do everything. So now you're in the influencer part. If you want to pick your samples, you can scroll through, you can scroll down and you click on free samples right here. Okay, or let's go back to the influencer part. You can click on post right here and then you go down. You're still going to see pick now. You go ahead and click on pick now. So you should also know that if you just got approved, you might not have many coins. You might have, just few, maybe 30 coins or 20 coins, depending. You'll be asked to do some tax. Yes, you'll be asked to do some, just little tax here and there. When you've been able to accumulate your points with that first initial, little tax, you don't have to stop there. Still go ahead and join campaigns, all right? So once you click on the pick now, you're able to pick whatever it is you want. As long as I also want to put this out there, the more coins you have, let's say in your second order, you will start to see, more products with higher coins, with higher coin prices. In your first order, you might see, products that have the price that are on the lower side. When you place your second order, for the samples, you will definitely see what I'm seeing now. You're going to see, higher products. So if you're not seeing the high ones in your first one, don't in your first order, don't worry, you definitely see them in your second order. So for you to check out, is listed there. You must pick 3 recommended samples. What it means that you must pick items from this section first, 3. Then you can go to other inspirations and pick whatever it is you want. Okay, so for me, I don't know if it's the same for all countries because this program is open to all 88 countries rather. For me, I'm able to pick 15 items and I not go over 500 euro per order. Okay, so the highest or my limit per order is 15 samples and 500 euros. So I can't go over that. I can't pick more than 15 at a time. And even if I pick 2 or 3 items and they amount to 500 euro, I can't add more items. So that's for me. Then you're going to find out your own limits as you go on for your own country. So once you're done, just click on checkout. And then once you click on submit for free, it goes through every day to tell you that you're supposed to make content. When you get this sample, they ask you to agree. Once you agree to everything, your order is placed like that, and then you wait for your order to be delivered to you. And then once your order comes, once your order is delivered, you go to the post area of your Temu Influencer Dashboard. Now click on manage. When you click on manage, you're going to see to get samples to be submitted and submitted. You click on to be submitted. Once you click on to be submitted, you're going to see the link of the sample you picked and then the submit button. Because I don't have anything to be submitted at this point, I've done all my videos, so I'm not owing them any video. There is nothing here for me to show, but I'll try to demonstrate something. So these are my submitted videos already, the approved ones. So many has been approved. The amount I got, if you click way down. So let me use my old video to explain. So when you click on the to be submitted, you're definitely going to see a submit link, a button for you to click on. Once you click on that, you would see TikTok. If TikTok is the authorized channel you use, then your main account where you should post. Yes, because with this influencer program, when you post on your main account, you're getting paid cash and coins. That cash is the money you've earned, you can withdraw it. Whereas the coin you earn is the one you use to get samples on the Temu Influencer Dashboard. Okay, you can only use it to get samples. So you post on your main channel, be it TikTok, YouTube or whatever, and then the link, that's what you paste here. Just try to study the app. You definitely understand everything and get the hang of it. And then on your secondary platform, if you have any other platform that gets to the requirements, like for me, I also post on my YouTube. If you have a YouTube that is up to 500 plus subscriber, you can also post there. Or you have Instagram, maybe your main channel is the TikTok, maybe you have Instagram or YouTube as your secondary one. When you post on your secondary channel and it gets approved, you're also paid in coins only. So your main channel, you're paid in cash and coins, and then your secondary channel, you're paid in only coins. Okay, for me those two is important because the coins is very important. If I don't have enough coins, I cannot get enough samples or the kind of samples I want. So I try. But if you don't have a secondary channel or platform, don't worry, just make do with what you have and try to grow a secondary one. Okay, so that's just it. Now make sure, please, let's try to make sure that the videos we do are very, very, you follow the guidelines. Now when you want to do a video, click on the create. These are the campaigns you can join. Any campaign you want, click to see all the campaigns that are available and join anyone. Okay, this one, for instance, for me, this is my favorite campaign to do. They show you what they want you to do. Your on-screen text is what is to be shown on the on-screen text. The caption link, everything. The guide for post is there. Just take your time, go through it. They even show you examples of people that have done it before. Click on it and watch. Read the content, requirements, everything that is required of you. Click on the detailed requirements, the things you should do and the things you shouldn't do or say in your posts. Everything is right there. Okay, for this one on how to show the video, you click on see how to show it. So just like I said, study the app, click on the dashboard, click on it and just study it. Make sure you follow each and every detail. The first time I did my own video, I was just being careful and putting all details into play. And trust me, none of my videos have ever been rejected because I follow everything I'm giving to. My videos were rejected only when I was trying to, do the videos and I wasn't in the Temu Influencer Program yet. But since I joined the Temu Influencer Program, any video I do has been approved because I follow all the do's and don'ts. So once you do that, trust me, you are good to go. You get your videos approved, and once they're approved, you get paid in both cash and coins. Okay, I hope this video has been able to explain. All right, thank you.